matching up properly with the blood problem. Yeah, he's out there again.
There's no way he'll stay off the pitch with that problem. Schweinsteiger.
Grushkovich ready to come on and make his World Cup debut. But with all due respect to him, I think they'd rather have the experienced Bastian Schweinsteiger involved in it all. He's still talking to the referee about it, Schweinsteiger. He didn't look deliberate by Aguero, did he? He was a bit free with the hand, and another ref might have seen it differently. But
yeah, it was all the bench again. The referee's telling him, yes, it was a foul, but that's all it was. We're in the 112th minute. It's a simple foul. I don't know what the German bench want.
Kroos. So one or two opportunities himself to add to the 2 goals he scored against Brazil. Schürrle. Still full of running, and he's Götze! It's Mario Götze! It's Super Mario! He might just have won the World Cup for Germany! Angela Merkel joins in the celebrations. That looks like gold dust for the Germans.
And they sell it in. Super Mario, Super Sub. His next involvement was Algeria taking over at half-time. But right away, she saw yourself out. Lovely ball by Schürrle. Touch, control, no problem, chasing it down. Talking about Palacio in the first extra time. He messed it up. He didn't. Touch, great finish.
It's his 11th goal for Germany. He will never, ever score a more valuable one.